Purchasing Card Process Dashboard. In this dashboard, we are looking at the purchasing card process, or P-card process. Purchasing cards are credit cards used by employees and owned by the organization. The process is representative of all the transactions made with P-cards. At the top of your screen is a menu to navigate among the different interactive dashboards available in the Purchasing Card module. The Process Dashboard is the first tab in the menu. The additional dashboards available in the module show analytic results by employee, vendor, transaction, department, and approver. We will explore the risk score dashboards in another video. Now, the process dashboard is organized as follows. First, you see the name of the dashboard. Then below that, a reference to the data used for the analysis done and its date range. Next, the date filter dynamically shows analytic results based on the selected time period. Below that are blue boxes representing distinct process steps. And below that are boxes on a gradient which represent analytics. Process steps. The process steps are ordered from left to right. Cardholder makes a transaction. Then accounts payable imports the transaction. Next, the cardholder writes a purchase order, and so on, all the way through approval. Analytics. Below each process step is a number of corresponding analytics. Each box represents a single analytic. Analytics are tests applied to the transaction as it moves through each process step. Criteria is set for each transaction to indicate risk. For example, risk is indicated if the annual spend by commodity code is higher than $24,000. If a transaction meets the risk criteria, the analytic creates a flag. The boxes are displayed on a color gradient to indicate more or fewer flags. The darker the red, the higher the number of flags. Tooltip. Hover over an analytic to view a tooltip. Here, a line graph shows the total number of times an analytic flagged in a month. It also shows how the current month's total number of flags trends with previous months. Additionally, the tooltip includes a description of the analytic, which states what the analytic is testing for in each transaction. For example, the analytic short blank descriptions flags if a P-card transaction's description has fewer than 14 characters, or if a transaction has no description at all. Details. Click an analytic box to drill down into the details of the transactions flagged by that analytic. A spreadsheet with data will appear below the analytics in the details section of the dashboard. You can scroll up, down, left, or right to view available details. Date filter. View analytic results by period using the dynamic date filter at the top of the dashboard. For example, let's view analytic results for the past 6 months. Hold Shift and select May to November. You can see the most risk accumulated under the approvals process step. The analytic Quick Approve flags a transaction if an approver approved within 45 seconds of a previous approval. It flagged thousands of times within the 6-month period. Results in this dashboard represent sample data, not actual data. Again, when you click the analytic, you see in-depth details of all flagged transactions. If you would like to export analytic results, click the analytic. In the tooltip, you will see an option to view data. This will allow you to download the data as a CSV file. You can then import this file into an Excel spreadsheet. If you would like to download this report for offline viewing, click the Download button at the top right. You will be prompted to choose a file format. This option may vary depending on your permissions in Tableau. Instructions. To recap, this interactive dashboard visualizes the purchasing card process and is available for other processes, such as accounts payable and payroll. This dashboard surfaces high-risk transactions as they move through the process and collect flags from analytics. For more information on using this dashboard, click the menu in the upper right-hand corner.